Okay, let's do a quick stream. I just felt like playing some random Commodore 64 stuff. Hmm. Let's see. This is called Arcade Classics. So let's see how classic this is. Okay. So this is supposed to be Space Invaders. Okay. Alright. Okay. I don't know. If you fuck up a port of Space Invaders, then there's something wrong with you. It's impossible. It can't be done. It's all the same stuff. Hey, see? Same thing. Uh-huh. Hey. Yep. Yep. And I did it. Look at me being the Space Invaders master. Whoa. Ah! That ship went fucking fast. Wasn't expecting that. Okay. Sorry about that. Probably should have drunk 15 gallons of water before the stream started, but I did not. Ah. Why am I dying? I shouldn't be dying. That ship moves too fast. Yeah. Round 3. Game over. Whoa. Why do their bullets look weird? Look like they're shitting out bones or something. Look, look, look. Those don't look like alien bullets. They're not faithful to the arcade. Everything else is great though. Uh-huh. Come on. I will beat my whopping high score of 2390. We'll do it. Look at this ship. Look at it's the ship. That's supposed to be the slow ship. Well, you know, all the ships on top are supposed to be slow, but on this one, they're super fast. I don't like that. Fuck. Damn! What? No, no, no. That's not how I'm going out. It's just not happening. Let's try a different tactic. Okay. Motherfucker. Alright, we're good. I just gotta go by a different way in this one. Different versions of Space Invaders require different strategies. I guess. I don't know. It's the first time I'm playing this. The Commodore 64 version. Ugh. There. Yeah! You bastard! Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. I'm going to beat 2000. If it's the last thing I do. Fucking fast spaceship. I don't like it. There. Man. No! What the fuck is this music? Space Invaders is supposed to have music. Fuck this fucking music. This is the only music that it's supposed to have. Duh, 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 duh. That's it. I don't want to hear any other music. This is the 80s. There's no music in video games. Until Nintendo came and fucked everything up. There we go. Round 2. You know, if I would hit that stupid... As I was saying, if I would hit that stupid ship, I could probably get over 3,000, but the ship is too fast. It's too fast. And these bones they're shitting out are going too fast. See? The ship is too fast. I don't like it. I could get 10,000 points from that ship alone. Okay, we can do this. You know, I mean, there's handicaps. Wait, let me see. No. See? God damn it. That ship is too fucking fast. I don't care. I don't care if I'm complaining about it too much. It's my stream. I can do whatever the fuck I want. Shit. I'm scared. Fuck! Okay. Okay. We can do this. Okay. We did it! That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted on this earth. Alright. Alright. Well, not alright, but okay. See, I beat 3,000. I win. I'm the winner. Me. Alright. This music needs to stop. Here. You can have the music here, but you know, not on the thing. Let's see. Asteroids. Woo! These are fucking fast asteroids. These asteroids are way too fast. Oh shit. Well, I mean, whoa! These asteroids are way too fast. What the? What? Holy shit! Oh my god. What is all that crap that's on top there? Rubik's Cube, 1999, Lives 3, some other thing, 2 question marks, I mean, exclamation points. What is all that crap? It's distracting. I'm trying to save the world from asteroids, and I'm seeing all this shit on the top of the screen. Come on! Oh god. Oh, I did it! I did it. Super fast goddamn asteroids. Alright. Son of a bitch. Oh god. No, no. Oh my this is hard. Man. This is not for children's. This is not for children's. Hey, I got the top score anyway. The other 9 guys were at 0. Let's try it again. Hello. Rules forever. Why I'm playing Commodore 64 games? I don't know. I just felt like it. Oh shit. Ah! God damn it! This is so much harder than the other asteroids. No! Holy God! Why is the Commodore 64 asteroid so much harder than all the other asteroids? Damn it! Yeah, I kinda like, you know, wanted to take a break from being a cowboy. Fuck! Well, I got score number 2 because 3 through 10 is 0. Let's see, Ubik, Gary, Colin, Wolf. I don't know what the fuck that is. Plasma, Colonel, and Aiken. Okay. Try one more time. Wow. Oh, that was great. Okay. Ah! Ah. Can I hyperspace? Or is that impossible? I don't think I... Wait. Oh yeah! I can. Spacebar! Problem is, I literally gotta take my hand off the controller so I can press the freaking spacebar. Where'd the asteroid go? Oh. Okay. Ah. This is... Ah! This... How is that my high score? What did I do? It seemed like that was my worst game, but I had the high score. Oh well. That was that. Snakes. Now, I don't even know what the hell this is. What is happening? What? I don't know what's happening. How could they put Space Invaders and then asteroids and then this? Like, what the hell? What am I doing here? What the fuck? Okay, so I eat that, I guess. Okay, I eat that. I eat that. I guess I can't run into my own body or else I die. Why is there a timer? Oh. Player 2 wins! Why do I keep eating myself? Really, I need to stop that. Well, I won that time. Alright, I don't know what's going on. It's snakes. Whatever. It's snakes. What's the last one? Space Wars. Let's end this on a high note. Let's do it. Oh god. This is not a high note. What is going on here? Okay, that's the sun, I guess. And I'm being pulled into the sun. And I'm being pulled into the sun. And I'm being pulled into the sun. Yeah. So is the other thing. I think this is 2 players. Okay, I think this is 2 players. This is stupid. I'm being pulled into the sun and then the player 2 is winning. Because, of course. Okay. Enough of that shit. Let's see. Let's see. What's this? J for joystick. 1 and J. Why is nothing happening? J, 1. Okay, I press 1. J. Shit! Ah! How do I... How, how do I keep the switch on? Help. If I go here, that... I don't know what the hell that does. Why will... God damn it. Now what does this fucking switch do? Hey! I did it! Something closed. Oh god. What? I guess I'm not supposed to touch that. What is that? Electricity? Is that electricity? Yeah, okay, okay. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh shit. Ooh! Did you see that? I guess that doesn't matter. Why would the house open? Do I gotta go back here? Wait, why did everything stop? There. Fuck you, Tony Kelly. Why is it so hard to jump? Come on now. Ugh. There. I did it! See, that was easy. Easy. Okay. Now. I'm guessing I have to flick that white switch. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Oh, no, I already flicked it. That's what turned off the electricity. Uh-oh. That's not good. No! Shit. This game is great. I love it. Ah! I'm gonna do this. I don't know why I can't touch that purple well, whatever color. Blue. Why can't I touch that? Damn it! Okay. Fine. That's good enough. Okay. Okay, so... No! So... I don't... Damn it! This is all... Man! There. I did it! I think if you like games about flicking switches, then this is the game for you. Oh god. Okay. Shit. But... This is hard. It doesn't look hard, but it's fucking hard. It's hard. No! What happened? Wait! What? No. I will not accept that. I'm gonna play this until the day I fucking die. The fucking flick switching game! Here. Okay. Okay. No! Ooh. Oof, that was too close. Okay. I'm getting it. Oh. Hey! First try. I did it. Thank you. Wait, hold on. What? I didn't know that was gonna happen. Fucking asshole. How dare you shoot something at me? Will you? There. I'm guessing I was supposed to do that? I don't know. This is like... Ah! Get off the ladder. This is like what... This is like one of those games. Like, what is it? Dead Dungeon or whatever the hell, where you gotta make super precise jumps or else you die. Except those have infinite lives and this does not. No! God. Okay. Oh God. Here. Okay. That was that. I actually like that game, whatever the hell it was called. That game was fun. Let's play this. Bounty Bob. I haven't played this in forever. Forgot to play it. Okay. Die. Fuck. Nope. Oh, okay. Sure. Sure. Okay. Oh boy. This isn't good. Duh. How am I gonna do this? There's no way to do that. Okay, so... Now back up here. Can I didn't mean to do that. What? No. I will not accept that. So... How do I get up there? That part. Let me kill this guy. Son of a bitch. See, I'm so used to playing Miner 2049er that... Because every version of Bounty Ball I can get is broken. Alright, can I drop here? Thank you. There. There. There we go. Kill these bitches. There we go. Okay. There we go. We got that one. Good. Yeah, we got that one. Good. Climb down the ladder. Go back up. You scum. How do we get out of this? Come on. End. Hey! Oh, okay. Eee. Nope. Shit. Wait, hold on. I missed some stuff. I'm gonna get this! I'm gonna get it! I'm gonna get it! I'm gonna get it. It's the last thing I do. Hmm. That was not ideal. Fuck. Well, that was Bounty Bob Strikes Back. That was officially the hardest game that ever existed in the history of, everything. Alright. Let's see. Damn it, I have 20 minutes left. Until I can bolt and get the fuck out of here. Alright, okay, I can... Alright, here's a good one. Satan's Hollow. There we go. Okay. There. See how great that is? Volume too low? Oh. Wait, why can't I move? Shit. Okay, a little sluggish for it's Commodore 64, so you know, it is what it is. I'm number one anyway. There you go. The sluggishness. I don't think I like that. Oh, yeah, I forgot you have to build a bridge or something. You have to build a bridge to hell. That's why I love this game. Yeah. Alright, give me bridge piece number 2, please. There. Oh! Satan! Hello! I killed Satan! Yeah! We made it to hell! And hell looks like this. Alright. We did it. It's only a matter of time. Alright, here's Satan. I don't know what the fuck that other guy was. But this is the real deal right here. Okay, this is very... What is that music? What does that mean? Ah! Wait, I killed him! But I killed him. I killed him. Okay. Be like that. Alright, let's do this again. I can do it. I can kill Satan again. Told you. Whoa! His head lives on, though. Ah. I don't remember I'm pretty sure the arcade version was way faster than this. Damn it. Okay. Damn. Shit's all over the place. 2? Hey, that ain't right. Okay, so that was Satan's Hollow. I like the arcade one. I don't know about this one, though. It exists. I'll say that. Let's, hold on. Let us end on a high note. I'm this guy because he's really wacky. He's wackier than the other guys. I don't even know how to play darts. I know you shoot the dart and you get points for it or something. I don't know. You're supposed to match a number, I guess? I don't know. Why was that one upside down? Look at this guy. He has a sword. He has a fucking sword in his back. How can I compete with that shit? Why are the TV guy's words upside down? Is it because it's wacky? This game is wacky. Okay. Wanna get a bullseye. Damn it. Oh well. Alright, skip this ninja asshole. He's throwing axes. Come on. That's not fair. I have darts, he has axes. Come on. Ah! Yeah. Shit. I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay, I'll get it. Almost got it. I have no idea what's going on, by the way. There's one guy, he's wearing a jacket that says surfing in the back of it. That's about it. I don't know anything else. Shoot. Toilet! There's a toilet! Alright, stop all the dots. I want to go to the toilet. It would be great if this game had a level and it was just toilets. Oh! Almost... Damn! Oh, so close. Shit. Almost got the bullseye. Okay, I don't know what the fuck is going on with this game. This is what we call not a high note, and I wanted to leave on a high note. This game is not a high note. I don't know what's going on. It's called Wacky Darts, and this fucking guy's throwing axes. What the hell, man? I said high note. Here, this is a high note. Right here, zigzag. Zigzag is a high note. See? Already. That sound effect, high note. Look at this. ZZ and those graphics, high note. Oh, good. What? I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? I don't know what's happening. I don't know how I did that. I guess I just... wait, hold on. There. Okay. I guess I keep doing this until the game over. Okay. What? What? Why did that, why am I higher? Hey! You fucking ship? What is that going on here? Stop. What am I supposed to do now? Yeah. I don't know what's happening. Okay, we're somewhere different. Okay, that's good. No! Are we at the beginning again? I don't want to be at the beginning. No. Fuck the beginning. Come on. I did it! No, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I thought I did it, but I didn't. I didn't do it. Um...